Welcome. If you've been wondering how to find all voice messages from a channel on the Telegram app using your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step method to quickly access those voice messages, so you never have to scroll endlessly again. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Once the app is open, look for the channel where you want to find the voice messages. You can either scroll through your chat list or use the search bar to locate the channel quickly. When you've found the channel, click on its name right at the top of the chat window. This action will open the channel's contact info page. Here, you'll find various sections like shared media and files. Next, look for a section labeled Voice Messages. Depending on your Telegram version, this could be under a tab specifically for voice recordings or grouped under shared media, but it's usually easy to spot. Click on this section, and you'll see a list of all voice messages that have been sent in that channel. From here, you can play any voice message directly by clicking on it. If you want to save some for later, you can also download them to your PC for offline access. And that's it. This update has made organizing and accessing voice messages on Telegram channels much easier. No more endless searching through tons of messages. Just a few clicks, and you have all your voice messages neatly organized in one place. Try it out for yourself, and make the most of this handy feature on your Telegram app. Thanks for watching.